Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Da, 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 da. So today we're going to be doing a one brand tutorial. We're going to be trying out Sephora's first ever black owned clean beauty brand, which is LYS Beauty. So I ordered as much as I can from the brand, and we're going to get into this review and see what this brand is talking about. Okay, honey, period. So if you guys would like to see how these products wear and my opinions on them, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. So LYS stands for Love Yourself, and I really like this brand because like the shade names of their products were really uplifting and inspiring. So yeah, let's just get into all this tea, honey. Let's get into all the tea. So I'm gonna start off with my Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. And I really like this applicator. So I ordered 2 of their foundations in different shades. I got DPP4 and DPN4. And this is their Triple Fix Serum Foundation. I got 2 because I was scared. I didn't want to be stuck with one and it's the wrong shade. But what if I'm stuck with 2 and they're both the wrong shade? I'm going to swatch both of these for you all. The first one that I'm going to swatch is DPN4, called Coffee. And this is rich brown skin with neutral undertones. DPN4, y'all. Y'all, I think that's my shade, period. So that is that one. That looks really good. I think that's the one we might go with because this one kind of looks dark. And this next one is DPP4. So DPP4 is Coffee Blush, and this is rich brown skin with pink undertones. Okay, so this is the DPP4. She kind of looks dark. Yeah, I think this one's too dark. Oh. Yeah, that's too dark. So that's our shade. So this is DPN4 and this is DPP4. Okay, I'm going in with their Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. And this says that it has 5% niacinamide and AHA in it. Oh my gosh, look, it's kinda, do you see it running? This feels like really good on the skin. It does not feel like a primer at all. Feels like I'm giving myself a facial. Feels like I'm at a spa. I do feel it's starting to get tacky. Oh my gosh, it's like sticky. You know like when you use Got To Be glue and it's on your finger and it's kind of drying? It's like, look. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's that kind of tacky. Okay, we're gonna stop playing. That's so weird. It's so sticky. That is sticky. So now I'm going in with DPN4, and I'm gonna be sure to leave my foundation shade references down below in the description box, so you guys can check that out to see if this is gonna be your shade. So the foundation is $22. That is such a good match. I feel like at first we were doing bad with the matches. Now we're doing great with the matches, you know? This is what we call progression. On the site, they had the shade finder with the foundation website. I did use that to help me find my shade, but I'm always scared of that because when you do like one foundation shade, that's your shade, and then you do another foundation shade, that's your shade. Like if you do it separately, it'll show 2 different foundation shades that are supposed to be your shades. That's why I bought 2, because I was scared. I wish I knew which foundation shade gave me this shade, but I guess I can re-enter them. So it says this foundation is an extra luxe serum foundation that effortlessly conceals blemishes, dark spots, and imperfections with skincare benefits and buildable light to medium coverage. It has skincare benefits that promote visibly healthier looking skin, loaded with nourishing ingredients like ashwagandha. Was it there right? Hyaluronic acid, turmeric, avocado oil. This is the liquid serum foundation. Leaves behind an undetectable veil that enhances your skin's natural beauty, making it suitable for everyday use. It's for all skin types. I have oily skin, so I'm going to be doing a wear test for you all with this. Okay, so I'm going to do my concealer and contour off camera, and I will be back. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like right here, it's starting to break up. Right there, it's starting to break up. I'm thinking this is the primer. It's like on my beauty. Let me see if y'all can see it on my beauty blender. I don't know. It's like breaking up even onto my beauty blender. And kind of like right here. I hope y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? It's like peeling on my face. Can y'all see that? I think it's the primer because of how sticky it was. I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back. Okay, so you guys, I'm back from washing my face. I can't believe I really had to do that. That's crazy. Now what if I did my eyeshadow first? I would have been a mad girl. So I'm gonna go in with a different primer and I'm gonna work up to the step that I came back to y'all on because I was almost ready, but I just noticed something funky was going on. I do think that was the primer that caused that little mishap. So to set my concealer, I'm going in with the Triple Fix translucent setting powder, and I got this in the shade Ambition, which is like a medium tan. So I'm using this to go ahead and set under my eye. And to be honest, okay, so I ordered this off of Sephora, which I probably shouldn't have because I wouldn't have ran into these issues probably. But when I ordered all my stuff, okay, so the blush got out of my cart. I had it in my cart for about 2 days, and then when I was ready to order, everything was out. Well, not everything. The blush was out of stock. So I was just like, okay, probably I can try to wait for the blush, or maybe I can do the video without the blush, but I really wanted to do the video with the blush. And I wanted to see if I waited, if I could have more options of the blush colors. Because on the Sephora website, you could only get one blush. Everything else was sold out, which I thought was suspicious. So I was like, maybe I can get a different blush also. So when I ordered my stuff the first time, I got an email saying that your order has been partially shipped. I was like, dang, y'all missing something else. So then I saw that they were missing this. 20 minutes later, it said, the rest of your order has shipped. I was like, why didn't y'all just, but I was like, you know what, it's okay. It's okay. But why did I get this first? And I didn't get that one until about a week later. I was so angry. And then while I was waiting to get the other one, I get an email that the blush is in stock. But it's still the same one blush. The rest of the colors are sold out. So I ordered the blush. The blush came before the rest of my order. I was like, what is going on here? What's going on? This is a translucent, but it's like tinted with kind of a beigey. It's not as banana-y. I don't know, it's perfect for me. Okay, so the next thing I have is the No Limits matte bronzer, and I ordered this in the deepest shade, which is called Worthy. Let's see, y'all, because me and bronzers, I don't know that girl. But this one, ooh, you can even see the deepness without me having to turn down the lights. Turn out the lights. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Da, 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 da. I wonder if it's gonna look bronzy or contoury. Hold on, bronzer. Ooh, I might have got bronzy happy. Y'all, that bronzer is it. Worthy for all my chocolate sisters. Worthy is your girl. It is such a struggle for me to find a good bronzer. Like, I've only been able to find one other bronzer that works really good besides this one. Oh, so the blush is like a different packaging. I like this. It's like really cute. The rose goldy. This is called their Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and I got it in the shade Empower. And this is what she looks like. She's a really deep berry red. She is pigmented. She's real pigmented. So this shade is really pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. So now we're done with the face. I'm gonna be using the Speak Love lip oil and I'm gonna just put this on top of my lippy to give that extra gloss. Yes. Period. Okay, so baddies, this is the finished look. It's giving real glowy, real healthy. Yes. So the time is 4:02 p.m. and I do want to do a wear test for you all. Oh, so I'm gonna try to keep my makeup on until midnight, but I'm gonna do it for y'all.
The next day.
Okay, so baddies, the time is now 1:11 in the morning. As you can see, it's a whole new day. And this is my face. I haven't touched my face up at all day. I did redo my lip because I did eat. I did fall asleep, so I did mess up my concealer kind of. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like for an oily skin girl, this what time did I finish? For a 9-hour wear, this is really good for oily skin. But overall, the finish of the foundation is super. I feel like I say this about every foundation, but I feel like I look super glowy. Foundation, the Triple Fix Serum Foundation, that was $22. The shade match, impeccable. The other one I will be returning because it's too dark. So in this foundation they have 35 shades. And so the Speak Love lip oil, that's a keeper. I love this. Like, I even after I ate, I put this on as my lip gloss throughout the day, and when I reapplied my lips felt so soft. So that's a keeper. And then next we have the Triple Fix setting powder, and I got it in the shade Ambition. That one is $18. That's also a keeper. I feel like it really like blurred out under my eye and made it look filter like. And I realized I usually use like a setting powder like that and then go in with a loose powder, but I didn't do that today. But I'm not mad at the results, so we're keeping that. Okay. Next up we have the No Limits matte bronzer, and this is $18, and I got it in the shade Worthy. Keeping it. Look at the bronze on my eyes. I use the bronzer as my eyeshadow. I feel like it looks, I got a bronzer, y'all. I'm so excited. So we're definitely keeping that. So the Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush is $16, and I got it in the shade Empower. I really like this blush. I like the pigmentation of it. I wish I could have been able to try out the shade Inspire to see how that would look on my skin tone, because this one, it's really cute, but it's really red for my taste. But that's not bad. That's like, it's pigmented. I like it. I just don't like the shade that I got. But the shade that I have, this Empower shade, that was the only shade I could buy from Sephora. Ugh, I wish I could have got the orangey shade. But this is still a really good blush. Like, I would still get it. I think I'm gonna still keep it because it's good. It is really good. The last thing, the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. So this primer is $20. And this is definitely going to be in the return pile. I didn't want to return it. It has niacinamide in it. This could probably be best used as skincare versus a primer, because it has niacinamide and AHAs in it. But this felt so good on the skin, but I'm gonna have to return this one. So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it like I did. I'm so excited to be able to try this brand. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you guys like this video, comment down below, and let me know what you guys are wanting to try out from LYS Beauty. And until next time, baddies, bye.